So I had a son, then I had another son, and when you have children, it changes everything. I worked in a horticulture company, so I was product manager, where I would create the amount of plants, the pricing, the timing. With the pandemic that's gone on, in my previous industry, it's not really a work from home environment. You're hands-on with those plants because they need care, they need light, they need interaction to create them and to get them to market. I was getting ready for work at 6:30, out the door by 7:15, 40-minute commute, 9-hour workday. I would get home at 5:45 just in time to see the kids go to bed. I was missing out on all this time that I could spend with them, and that pandemic really brought it to the forefront with the way the world has accepted work from home. I was looking for an industry that could allow me to work from home and be closer to my family, especially with all this, the pandemic, the challenges that got brought on and the opportunities that came up. What I love most about working at Collectiv is being able to schedule my own time. So one of the things we like to say here is work for your clients, get the work done, and do it on your own time. So as long as it happens, we're all moving forward. So if I need to run to the doctor's office or go bring out the trash cans or mow the lawn, those things can still happen while I'm providing services for the clients. And it feels like Collectiv was ahead of time here, planning out this fully remote company. And there's never a let's return to the workplace meeting, because we don't have those meetings. We just all work remotely, and it's been great so far.